this video, I'm going to show you all how to create a story and a video just like the one you're about to see right now.
Azai Okonkwo, a strong and regarded forerunner in the Igbo people group of Umofia in Nigeria, watched the white colonizers show up with their groundbreaking thoughts and approaches to everyday life. I felt a feeling of dread and vulnerability wash over me. I had endeavored to transcend my modest starting points and make progress in my general public. I was not going to allow these untouchables to come in and change all that I had worked for. I opposed their presence energetically, gripping to my customs and values and dismissing any type of shortcoming or reliance. That's what I knew. If I somehow happened to show even a smidgen of weakness, it would be viewed as an indication of shortcoming, and I would lose the regard and reverence of my local area. I found that regardless of my endeavors, I couldn't stop the tide of progress that was clearing over my local area. The white colonizers and their religion, Christianity, appeared to have a hang on my kin that I was unable to shake. I battled to find some peace with the deficiency of my way of life and the progressions that had happened in my general public. I felt like all that I had known and adored was getting away from me, and I was weak to stop it. Notwithstanding the difficulties I confronted, I stayed areas of strength for a rousing figure, a demonstration of the flexibility and assurance of the human soul. However things had fallen apart, I realized that I would figure out how to modify and push ahead.
This was how I came up with the idea of writing the story and then converting it into a video, as you've seen in some few seconds ago. So I asked ChatGPT to narrate the story of Things Fall Apart, point of view mode. Then it started writing everything, script everything out for me. So what I did was that I removed some parts of the article that he wrote for me, the story, like this place. I removed this place, highlighted and cleared it out after I copied it. I'm going to copy everything, the whole story like this, from the beginning to the end. Everything. And we are going straight to this website called spinbo.com. Then I'm going to paste them here. Paste everything we've copied. Then do basic spin. We don't really have to change so many things that we have already spinned using this spinbo.com, but we are going to change some things so that at least it will look a bit similar to what was written, but we just need to change some things so that we are going to avoid copyright. You just need to make some edits to this. So after that, you just need to copy and come to this website. For this tutorial, for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to use an AI software for the voiceover. We're going to select a voice. For this voiceover, we're going to click on change language, English, voice, Brian, then just paste it here. Like for the other video, I didn't use this AI. I use a good how would I put it? I use another AI that is more like human voice, that is similar to human voice. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're using this one. This one is a bit good. You can also use it for your own project.
It was a period of extraordinary change in our town.
As you all can see, we are done with the first step of the video. We are done with the second step, and now we are heading to the third step. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the red subscribe button in this video, and let me know if you enjoyed the video in the comment section. So let's head straight to. I also downloaded some free videos using this website called Pixel. You'll be able to find photos and videos for free. So what I did was that I just searched out every single video I need to write to make this video interesting. Like where they said I felt the sense of fear, so I just made something similar to I felt the sense of fear and uncertainty wash over me. So I just tried to make something similar to what the the script was saying. You understand? That's what I did. Our video editing software, as you all can see, this is KineMaster. You guys can get it and use it. This app is amazing. So let's start the project by clicking on this plus icon, click on 16 by 19. I already have the footage that I'm going to use for the sake of this tutorial, so I'm just going to fast forward. I'm not going to say much, but if you want me to dive deep down with this tutorial, let me know. So let's begin.
It was a period of extraordinary change in our town. It was a period of extraordinary change in our town. The white man had shown up, carrying with him novel thoughts and innovations that took steps to overturn the lifestyle we had consistently known. From the beginning, large numbers of us invited the changes. The white man carried with him drugs that could fix illnesses that had once been dangerous, and his machines made cultivating and different undertakings a lot simpler. In any case, as time elapsed, obviously the white man's methodologies were not generally for whatever might be most ideal. He carried with him a religion that was unfamiliar to us, and he attempted to drive us to take on it. He likewise forced his regulations upon us, ignoring the practices and customs that had administered our general public for ages. As the white man's impact developed, our town started to self-destruct. The more youthful age, enticed by the draw of Western instruction and material products, deserted our customs and embraced the methods of the white man. Our seniors, who had consistently directed us with shrewdness and understanding, were presently underestimated and overlooked. The obligations of family and local area that had kept us intact for such a long time started to unwind, as individuals turned out to be more centered around their very own benefit. It was a troublesome time, and a considerable lot of us battled to find a sense of peace with the progressions that were occurring surrounding us.